guys, we're finally home. And this is my baby. I miss my baby. Smile, smile. Hey guys, welcome back to another Plantzilla video. So for today's vlog, we will be unboxing the plants that we got from Batuan. Shoo. We have here the plants. And you'll never guess how did we get it. So, okay, we will start now. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell icon beside it. So you'll be notified whenever we upload a new video. And if you are interested, just keep watching. So we will be unboxing now. Let's see what's inside this dispenser na carton. So guys, this is packed like this because we traveled from Batuan and nagsakay pa mag-Bihar. So for the safety of the plants, we have to put them here. On our previous vlog, we have showed na sobrang dami ng plants na available sa Brilliant Green. So we will be showing you as well now kung ano yung mga nadala namin. Wow. Chiren, mura jud siya plastic, guys. So this is available at Brilliant Green kung mga dwarf anthuriums. So Lia is crying. She also wants to have one of this. So naibog siya. So that one is for Mama and this is for us. So, sobrang ganda dito. Sobrang dami ng flowers, guys.
Ato bitang biya, ato butang.
Pero wanto na. Okay, meron pang iba dito. So, puno po yung box na yan. So, tingnan natin. Oh, this is
another variety of anthurium. Saan nga ng anthurium?
Anthurium, single, pringle.
Diyan, kasapan na po kapapan. Kailangan mo na.
Lalis siya bitaw.
Kani.
Isa mo na.
So, this is a red Congo. So, ayan kay Mama. Sobrang dami po ng plants na available, but these plants that we brought home are given for free. And yes, you heard it right. They are all free. So, libre niyo siya tanan, guys. Please do watch out. Marami po kaming nadala. Wow, this is the Soksam Jaipong.
Kabiya ne, kabiya.
Wow!
Baby plant? This is baby plant.
She also loves plants, kaya yan, medyo umiiyak-iyak kasi gusto sa kanya.
Ito, kamama to.
Diyan na.
Kanang painted lady, pero rin ron painted lady. Okay na.
Yung mga plants ni Mama po, binili po niya. Yung sa amin na po yung free. So, thank you so much, Ma'am Zinen. Salamat po. So, this is the Lucky Red. Ito ba yung Aglanema Lucky Red? Oh, careful lang. Careful. So, ayan kasi. Yay! Good job, Zabria. Good job. Okay, so let's get another one. And this is, I believe, the Aglanema na Diamond Siam.
Stress pa.
Oh, so medyo stressed pa nga siya kasi binyahe siya. So, 2 pesos siyang binyahe from Thailand and then from sobrang ang dami ng pinagdaanan niya today. Oh, careful. Okay, good job. Oh, this is the White Wizard. White Wizard po yung sabi ni Ma'am Zinen dito. And this is sobrang ganda talaga.
White princess na? White wizard.
White Wizard.
Kano eh? White wizard.
So, ayan. Gusto na naman niyang tumulong. Gusto na naman niyang kunin.
Punta ka to, hinay. Hinay lang ha, hinay lang. Hinay.
Kasi sobrang helpful ng batang to. Ayan. So, siya na naman maglalagay wow, she really loves plants. So, let's get the last one. The Philodendron Bilete. Isipin nyo, sino mabibigay ng bilete na libre? So guys, we have 7 plants in all na libre from Brilliant Green. So meron kaming dalawang colors ng anthurium shingle. Hindi ko talaga magets kung ano yung real name niya. Basta meron kaming dalawa. We have the pink and the red. We also have the Saksam Jaipong. We have the Aglonema Diamond Siam. Meron din po kaming Aglonema na Lucky Red. And we have this Philodendron White Wizard. Some are saying na this is a Philodendron White Knight. And we also have the Philodendron Bilite. This is something that I really can't afford. Well, not as of the moment na meron pa kaming ibang priorities. But this is one of those plants that's on the top of my list. And I did not expect that I'll be having this before Christmas. So this is one of the best Christmas gift ever. Hey guys, we are now on the second day. So today we will be repotting those plants. Kasi yung iba nasa temporary pa lang na pot. So we will be transferring them. This is a way also for us to check if they are rooted because some of the plants that arrived here o yung mga dala namin is medyo stressed pa. We do understand na ganun talaga kasi binyahe pa sila from Thailand. And plants also get stressed. So we are trying to find ways and how to make them better, especially na nandito na sila sa bahay namin. So now we will be repotting them and we will be placing them in pots na hindi sila masyadong madedistorbo. So let's see if may root na. Oh, for this one, meron na talaga. So the White Wizard already has roots and meron pa siyang mga vitamins na ganyan, no? So as I can see here, meron na siyang roots and even if para siyang nakat na, it does not matter. In a few days, magbabounce back na siya and it will surely get back into shape. Yung mga bilog-bilog na yellow na nakikita ko kanina, yung parang mga pellets, they are vitamins, guys. So, we just made sure na hindi sila ilalagay medyo malapit dito sa roots kasi nga baka maka-apekto sila sa pagtubo. But it's fine. Yung mga ganito, you can just mix them with the soil but do not put them directly near the roots talaga. O yung talagang matatouch nila yung roots, okay lang na i-mix sa soil. Anyway, magme-melt din naman sila no time. So as I have noticed, marami siyang mga coconut chips na ganyan along with the pellets, yung mga maliliit na bilog na yan. They are the potting mix na ginamit para dito sa White Wizard natin. But since we have our own potting mix at home, that also works best for our plants. So gagamitin din natin siya, i-add lang natin siya dito, i-mix natin and then we will just put them inside the pot. Anyway guys, in planting, we have to make sure na talagang kakapit sila sa lupa kasi I have noticed na merong mga iba na tinatanim na kapag ano mo lang, nasagi mo lang na konti yung pot, parang yung plant na nasa loob parang nag-aano na, imaalog-alog na yung mga ganon. Hindi ko gusto yung mga ganon, para siyang hindi natanim ng maayos. So for us here, we really make sure na talagang hindi siya parang movable. Hindi ko talaga ma-describe kung ano yung gusto kong sabihin, basta yun sana na gets nyo. So we are almost done with the White Wizard. So ayan, yung isa na naman, yung isusunod natin is the Anthurium na mga dwarf. So we will move on to this red Anthurium. So ayan guys, sobrang dami na ng roots niya. So wala na masyadong problema dito. So ililipat na lang siya ng pot. These plants that we have here did not grow up in the same environment that we have here in the Philippines since they are imported. But since super rooted na sila, how they will grow will depend on the amount of care that we invest onto them. I have noticed guys that anthuriums aren't that sensitive. That's why kahit binyahe ito from Thailand, hindi siya mukhang losyang pagdating niya dito sa Philippines. So let us move on to something I am equally excited about, and this is our new Philodendron Bilite. This is not the variegated type na sobrang expensive. Hindi siya yung mga nakikita sa expo na sobrang ang mahal-mahal talaga. The price range would go around 200,000 to 400. This one is just the normal one, but this is pricey as well, guys. Even in my wildest imagination, I never thought that we can have this for free. So this is a big sana all. Asa pa man tayo libre ron. So as we can see here, meron siyang mga papalabas na roots on the internodes and meron na din siyang mga white roots. So mga bagong roots na yan. Yung iba nakadikit pa sa coconut chips. So ayan, we will mix the old potting mix that it has with the potting mix that we have here. So ayan, yan yung gagamitin natin. We'll just put them back inside the pot. We will be using the same pot because as of now, ito lang yung pot na medyo malalim. Kasi ability really needs a pot like this na medyo malalim siya. Yung medyo pahaba kasi nga hahaba din yung stalk niya. Some stalks even need braces when they grow mature kasi nga lalaylay siya. Anyway guys, we were told that this is a dwarf bilite. This also came from Thailand, but it does not matter. A bilite is still a bilite and I super love it. So, we are almost done and sobrang init guys. So, palipat-lipat kami ng pwesto dito kasi nga hindi siya nakikita masyado. Sobrang parang yung glaring yung light. So, ayan, palipat-lipat kami. And we're done with our philodendron bilite. So, thank you so much for this. So, next we will move on to the aglaonemas that we got from Batuan. So, we will be repotting them as well so we can check if they have enough fruits. I've got high hopes that I can propagate them, especially ito. This is the diamond siam. I just do not know if there is another name that we used to call that here. So ayan, we are preparing the pots that we will be using. And ito, kailangan kong ilipat kasi sobrang maliit lang siya. And the pot is bigger. So ililipat namin siya dito sa mas maliit. And we will use that pot for our lucky red. Is that red or red star? Hindi ko alam. Basta yun yun. So instead of waiting for it to rot, we will prune the damaged leaf. Meron po siyang damage. Meron siyang hole. I believe merong mga moss na kumakapit sa roots niya. So this saksam jaipong is rooted na. So it's gonna bounce back in a few days. Hindi naman siya mukhang masyadong stress. So makaka-recover siya agad. I'm pretty sure of that. We have been eyeing for this July pa and unexpectedly meron na kaming saksam ngayon. Thank you so much. So now, let's repot this diamond siam. Meron kaya itong pangalan dito? So let us see if it's rooted enough. Oh my god, meron pa siyang price na nakalagay. It's 1,300. Who on earth would give us 1,300? So marami na rin siyang mga roots. So far, as I have observed, yung mga anthuriums na naripat natin kanina, yung sobrang dami yung roots. And then, also the bilite, it's well-rooted na guys. So, when you compare it to these aglaonemas, they have fewer roots, but since they already have roots, they will definitely survive. Kasi aglaonemas can be propagated through cuttings. Even if wala silang roots, they will still thrive. So, these aglaonemas will definitely survive still. And it will get back into shape in a few days. Or baka nga okay na to tomorrow. Medyo stressed lang siya biyahe. So I think we're almost done and we will head on to the last one. It's the aglaonema super red. So far sa lahat ng mga aglaonemas na nandito, yun yung nakita kong pinaka-stressed. And of course, we will find a way to make it better. So ayan, since malapit na naman tayong matapos dito, we will move on to that right after this. Anyway guys, as you can see, meron na yung mga poles and then cyclone wire dyan. That is because we lost something that is inside this pot. Hindi pa namin siya tinataniman. Lakas ko makahope. So ayan, yun yung dahilan kaya magkakaroon kami ng temporary lang naman pagka nakaluwag-luwag na saka na aayusin. So for the lucky red guys, so sad na meron lang siyang 2 roots. But still, dahil may roots na, I've got high hopes for this. We'll just wait for it to recover para hindi na siya ganyan magmukhang parang stressed na stressed. We will just wait for it to bounce back and I'm sure that it's not gonna be a long wait. So guys, thank you so much for making it till the end of this video. It has been Maria, the voice of PLANTZILLA BHL. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon beside it so you'll be notified whenever we upload a new video. Thank you so much, Mom Zinen Barrel of Brilliant Green. Let's get right into the montage.